Hello, all is well, students. Good morning. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. But before that, I would like to ask few questions. Students, have you watched television news at evening? Have you read a newspaper in the morning? Have you read a magazine? Have you chat with your friend on WhatsApp, Instagram, etc.? So, students, exactly what all those things. So let's understand exactly and in detail about these things in class 7 civic chapter 6 understanding media. So students, what topics we are going to cover in the chapter: that what is media, what is mass media, media and technology, media and money, media and democracy, setting agendas. So students, the first topic, that is what is media. The media is the plural form of the word medium, and these mediums refers to all means of communication, everything ranging from phone call to the evening news on television. So mass media. What is mass media? So television, radio and newspaper are called mass media because they reach millions of people at the same time. So how we can define in one line? Okay, the media which reach to millions of people at the same time is called the mass media. So students, this mass media is broadly classified into two categories. First one is the print media and second is the electronic media. So what examples can we give of the print media? The examples of print media are newspaper, magazine, and the examples of electronic media are television, radio, then Instagram, social sites, as well as even the internet, computer, etc. In print media also we can take a number of things like books, okay, so magazines, uh, then different the things which in the printed form we called it the print media, through which we receive the information what happens around us, so that we can call the print media. So media and technology. Students, what is the relationship? So what this technology helps to media? The technology, the mass media uses keep changing, they also adopt that one. Cable television and widespread use of internet is a recent phenomenon nowadays. We called it a new age media. Students, if you ask your parents or grandparents, they will tell you what kind of TV they watched at their time, and as well as even the radio, okay, how people are gathered. There are only one television in the village, okay, and the whole village people gather together and they watch the television. So as well as even how the newspaper, okay, at that time. So you can see the difference of the technology, the printing, the paper quality, the picture quality in the papers, the image quality. Why this happen? Because of the technology, and this is making technology of more modern to the media, helps media to reach more and more people, the quality of sound and the image improving due to the technology. So media plays a major role in our life. So students, all we know very well that nowadays we are surrounded with the media. So we read the books, we watch the movies on television, we watch the serials, we watch the news, we read the newspaper, books, magazines, etc. And we have nowadays the internet, through we wherever we go in, we wherever we read the news, we watch the movies. So that's why we can say this media plays a very major role in our life. How it helps to change the way of our thinking, and this television brought the word close to us. How? If your friend is to be a foreign country, if your relatives hmm, maybe in the another state or another country, you easily contact him with the video call. You see that how you can realize that your relatives or your friend is to be too nearest to you while you talk to in the video calls. So think of ourselves as a member. We are not a member of a village, we are not a member of our town, we are not a member of our state, country, but we are the member of the global world now. And due to this media, the way of our thinking is also change. Now media and money. So students like that. What is the relationship between media and money? Now this mass media uses the expensive technologies. Okay. So for these expensive technologies they need money. For what? A TV studio needs a light. A TV studio needs lights, cameras, sounds, records, transmissions, satellites, etc. All these cost a huge amount of money. So from where they record all these money, we also let these things in the next topic. Students, they also spends a lot of money on getting the latest technology. If you see in this picture, so what kind of technology is this? Okay, so it's very unimaginable that what kind of technology they are using nowadays. Okay, so students, what are the sources, what are the income sources, or how they recover the cost which they spend on that TV studio? So the first one, the big business houses provide them a money, or we can say they invest the money in that. The most television channels and newspapers become a part of a big business houses. Students, you don't know the most of the business persons, okay, involved in the media. So they are having their own news channels, they are having their own